Hello everybody and welcome back to 100 videos about SEO. Today is day 20 of 100. I am 20% into this challenge. I honestly feared that I wouldn't be able to do this challenge and complete it. So thank you for staying with me. Thank you for encouraging me. Thank you for keeping me consistent and seeing this challenge through to the end. So today I'm going to talk about one of the things I've learned about AI for SEO. And if you aren't aware, we have a comprehensive how to learn AI for SEO program. You can head over to our website, jasonpittard.com, or the link will be here in the description where we work through all of these concepts. But one of the things I want to share with you guys today is the importance of understanding supervision models for AI and specifically related to SEO. So when we think of AI and SEO, probably the most important fundamental pillar is the creation or automation of content. And creating content with AI is something that is not new. It's been around now for probably the best part of 2.5 to nearly 3 years. And it's had its ups and downs, and it's definitely not the golden goose on the block. But there is still a lot of value from enabling your content creation with AI. Now, it doesn't mean that we can run off and open up ChatGPT-4 and create an article and then paste it onto your WordPress. And the point of this video is to explain some of the reasons why that isn't probably the best idea. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is supervision. Now, supervision models or ways of working, or you might say key protocols to using AI for SEO, is really important that your team understand these concepts, or if you are creating content, to understand these concepts to improve the usage of your AI for SEO. Now, the first is supervised. Supervised AI for SEO is when the AI is fully engaged with, fully controlled and engaged by a human, and the output is 100% QA'd before anything goes into production or goes live. The second is unsupervised. Unsupervised is the extreme opposite of supervised, and it means where there is no human input and the AI is directly operating in a silo on its own without any collaboration or, most importantly, any QA or any control. And the third, which is probably the happy medium which we look for most organizations to transfer to, is partially supervised AI for SEO. Now, this can mean that you have systems and processes and protocols in place where the AI is partially supervised, has some flexibility, has some reach, has some range, but isn't operating on its own. Now, the benefits of using AI collaboratively, that means with other people, with your team, and modeling it and improving it, that we can train it to improve the quality of the output. This becomes really, really important for AI for SEO because it means if you are creating content and you're using it, for example, to help you build briefs or find resources or cite different resources or other websites to gain more knowledge and do, you might say, an analysis of what the current landscape on a topic is. If multiple people are collaborating on that model together, especially in a bigger organization, the GPT can become very powerful at understanding what you're looking for and the type of content or the type of answer that you're looking for. This is the power of supervision. Now, if you don't supervise it and you don't give it QA and there isn't that protocol in place, the AI specifically, the data, is limited to what it can do to self-improve. Of course, the AI is going to be self-improving itself, but if you can exponentially accelerate that by adding team and collaboration and protocols and QA in place, it allows you to build a very solid framework for the adoption of AI for your content, for your SEO, to obviously accelerate and expand. And this means that you can, yes, create a shed load of content, but it also means that if you are creating that content, that you are going to have issues if you don't have a framework or a protocol in place. So I often think about this like a recipe. If you start with high quality ingredients, a great cooking process, you're most likely to get a delicious dish. If the data or the input or the framework or the recipe is messy and unorganized and the ingredients aren't fresh, it is going to look pretty bad and there's going to be a spoiled dish. The result won't be good even if the chef is a master or a Michelin star. Most likely the result is going to be bad. Now, data is the same, AI is the same. It's very important that we understand supervision models. We understand where we are in that journey of creating those supervision models and having those frameworks in place so we can adopt AI and scale it within our organizations. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. And again, if you have any ideas, any concepts you want me to talk about related to SEO for AI or specifically technical SEO, for example, send me a comment. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and goodbye.